Hello, Kevin Wacknoff here. I'd like to talk about one of the hushed sides of Tai Chi Chuan, which is how to use Tai Chi to have a better bowel movement. Now, this is commonly known, but it's not commonly talked about. So, it's a Tai Chi movement sequence. When you're sitting on the John, you can move your arms up, in towards you, down, and forward. In Tai Chi, these energies are called Pong, Lu, On, Ji. Now, if you're constipated or want a smoother bowel movement, slowly repeat these 4 energy movements, and it's like a squared off circle. And you will have a better bowel movement consistently because it works the abdominal muscles and the intestines in a way that just squeezing blocks. With this movement from Tai Chi helps the flow continue with the Chi and also the feces. So it's like one of the hushed up sides of Tai Chi, but it's one of those applications for daily living. Thank you. Have a good day. Goodbye now.